Hello everyone. Now we will see the pelvic inlet. What is the pelvic inlet? This part is the inlet and this part is the outlet. So we will see the pelvic inlet and there is a landmarks of the pelvis also. So we will see one by one. What is that? We can see here. Pelvic inlet continues from a sacral promontory and extend along the ilium on each side. Okay, so what is the pelvic inlet? Pelvic inlet is, it is continuous from the sacral promontory. It is continuous from the sacral promontory and extending both sides, extending along the ilium. This is the ilium part, along the ilium on each side in a circular fusion. In a circular fusion, it is a ridge called a brim. Brim means goal or circle. So it is extend from the sacral promontory, inlet continuation from the sacral promontory and extending both side of the sacrum and each side of the sacrum in a circular fashion is a ridge called the brim. That means inside there is a brim, circle. This is the brim. This is the entry of the fetus. Fetus is entering here. This is the entry of the fetus from the false pelvis, and this is the false pelvis. True pelvis is here and false pelvis is here. So this is the false pelvis. This is the entry way of the fetus from the false pelvis to the true pelvis. Okay, false pelvis to the true pelvis, and the bony landmarks are here. We should know the bony landmarks because all the examiners will ask you, tell me the bone, hold the pelvic bone and tell me the landmarks of the pelvic bone. So you have to be very, very careful from its status and where it is. So bony landmarks on the brim. This round is the brim. On the brim, anteroposterior. This is the anterior side and sacrum is the posterior. Anteroposterior on either side are the center of the upper border of the symphysis pubis. Both sides. Anteroposterior. This is the anterior part. This is the posterior part. From the anteroposterior to the on either side are the center of the upper border of the symphysis pubis. This is the symphysis pubis bone, upper border of the symphysis pubis. This number 1 point is the center of the upper border of the symphysis pubis. Now after that it has come the pubic crest. These both lines from here to here and here to here, you can see very clearly. This is the pubic crust. Okay, then comes the pubic tubercle. Third number is the pubic tubercle. Pubic tubercle is here. It is coming here. Pubic arch, center of the pubic bone, pubic arch and the pubic tubercle here. So pubic tubercle here in the inside. This is the pubic tubercle. Then comes the pectineal line. Number 4. It is going here. The pectineal line is here. Okay. After the pectineal line, it's come the eminence of the iliopectineal eminence. There is a protrusion is here, both sides. Here it is a protrusion, here it is a protrusion. Protrusion means ubhar. So this protrusion is called the iliopectineal eminence. Eminence means ubhar, and this is the ilium, this is the ischium, and this is the pubic. So ilium and pubis united, iliopectineal eminence. Okay, then comes the iliac portion of the iliopectineal line. From after the iliopectineal eminence, it is going to iliopectineal line. So this line is here. Number 6 we can say mentioned here. The iliopectineal line is here. Then comes the sacroiliac joint. After that, the anterior border of the sacrum of the ala. You can see here ala shape. The anterior border of the sacrum of the ala is coming here. Then the center of the sacropromontory. It is the sacrum the center of the sacropromontory we can see here. So I think you understood the landmarks of the pelvic bone. Once more we will see there is a 9 landmarks in a pelvic bone. Don't forget that landmark of the pelvic bone. First one is the upper border of the symphysis pubis. Second one is the iliac crest. Third one is the pubic tubercle. Okay, it is here. Pubic tubercle is here. Then tuberosity is there downward. Then this is the pubic tubercle part. Then comes fourth one is the pectineal line. This is the pectineal line is here. Okay. Then fifth one is iliopectineal eminence. Fifth one is the iliopectineal eminence. Okay. Then sixth one is the, after the eminence there is a one line that is called the iliopectineal line. This is the iliopectineal line. This is the iliopectineal eminence. After the eminence, that protrusion part, after the eminence line will come. So iliopectineal line is there. Then come the sacroiliac joint. After that the anterior part of the, because there is a posterior part, so anterior part of the anterior border of the ala of the sacrum. And ninth part is the center of the sacropromontory. I think you understood the 5 landmarks. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, if you like my videos, support it.